Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby mama Faith Dominic. Okay guys, so thank you so much for you're welcome. So in today's video we're going to talk about character. Yes, character in your heart. What are you thinking about? That is the question. What are you thinking about? Who is in your heart? Are you thinking about God? Are you thinking about your friend? Are you thinking about your business? Whatever is in your heart, that is what will reflect at. If you have anger in your heart, everybody accepts you. If you have jealousy in your heart, everything you heavy everything, everybody around you, you heavy them. You want to be like them. You just want, why is it that I'm not receiving this? My friend is receiving this. You know, that kind of a thing. You heavy them. It happens to all of us, even those of us that is Christianity. Sometimes we just go to church and judge pastors. It's the only offering that they give in church. It's only seed. You know, that kind of a thing. So it reflects in all of us. So check your heart. Who am I? What am I doing? Am I really the kind of person that God wants me to be? Am I really showing good example? Am I doing it right? Am I succeeding? Yes, let me emphasize in that more, in the area of succeeding. So there's when you see failure all around you, because the first time you imagine it in your heart, you think that yes, everything is failing. Of a truth, sometimes it's easier to say than done. But what do you think inside? How do you carry it? How do you carry your body? Who do you talk to? What kind of people do you reflect with? What kind of people do you associate with? Do you have nice friends that can stand for you? Do you have people that can take you to God? If you don't have anybody, have God. If you don't have anybody, have God. That is where this place is telling us about. I saw it in Proverbs 27, but I'm not sure of the very verse that I saw it in. Just read down. You'll see a lot of things that will make you to know yourself. In this year 2022, we are more concerned of knowing ourselves. We are more concerned of serving God. We are more concerned of doing it right. Doing things in the right way. Not what everybody is doing. Not what people are saying. Say your own thing. Say your own thing. Don't look at people. Me, I used to be very ugly. Then I learned how to do makeup. Am I not looking beautiful? Look beautiful and feel beautiful. Like now, if I'm not looking beautiful, I will not be so confident in the camera talking to you like this. Then, yes, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful without even makeup. But makeup makes me feel good sometimes. That is why I did makeup. Do what makes you feel good. Be yourself. Be the boss that you want to be. Don't look at others. Because the more you look at others, you will see yourself in the mirror. That is who you are. The more you heavy people, that is who you are. The more you jealous people, that is who you are. The more you talk bad about people, that is who you are. That is your character. Okay, so let's move to. So the next step is human desire. Is like we desire more things in life. We need more and more and more. Let me just read it out. It says that human desire is like the word of death. There is always room for more. There is always room for more. We can never be satisfied with what we have. We can never in this world satisfy with what we have. Sometimes we may have it all. Sometimes we have a shelter, we have a phone, we have food in our fridge, we have a lot of things. But sometimes we just need more and more and more. That is why the more people die, the more death will not be wiped out on this earth. You know, that kind of a thing. People die to a point that okay, we'll cancel death. Death no dey exist again. As long as people die, there's still room to accommodate others. That is our desire. That is human desire. We need more than what we can produce. We just want to overwork ourselves. It happens to me. I want it all. But sometimes I stop myself. Like this morning, I was crying. Yes, I was crying. I'm about to lose something very special to me. Something that I have really taken years to build. So losing it was so difficult for me. I said, no, I don't want to lose it. I don't know yet, yeah, but I leave it for God. It almost destroyed my mood. I could have not even made this video. thinking about it could have not really made me make this video. I wish I don't know God. I wish I have not understand God. I swear that I will not be here making this video. I will look for enemies to save that thing. I will go in there, look in the whole set. They said do this one, you will get it. I will do it, just get it. To get what I'm looking for. But that is not life. I'll be doing that since. And where am I? What have I really achieved? From all these things, I don't want to lose this one. I don't want to lose this one. Where am I? I'm still in the same place. So the more you see, the Bible also makes me to understand, the more you have weight, the more mass you have to feed. The more your weight is, the more you have to feed. That is our desire. I want to really feed more people. I don't just want to be eating alone. I don't feel happy doing it alone. I want to carry people along. That is our desire, but it's not forcing, it's not how hard you work. It's by the grace that follows you. Sometimes you work, some people, they are really working hard though. If they talk about working hard, that they will succeed there. I think all those people that do bricklayer, they will be like billionaires by now. All these Okada riders, they will be like billionaires because they are in there morning and night, rain or sun. They are still hustling. But millionaires, they don't even hustle much. They don't even hustle much. Grace. That is grace. It's not how hard you work. It's how grace. What kind of grace that follows you? What kind of grace that follows you? Are you doing it according to God? Are you following the principle? That is the question you have to ask yourself. So don't desire the heaven and the earth. Be contented with all you have. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me read this one out. It says that fire tests gold and silvers. A person's reputation can also be tested. Oh my God. Yeah, they are even talking to me. Yes, and this morning when I was feeling down, I do not remember this place. So I do not remember this place. Fire tests gold and silver. When you put gold inside fire, it's there that you will know that yes, this is gold. When you put silver inside fire, it's there that you will know that yes, this is silver. That is the same way our reputation is tested. If Bible can say that they will test our reputation, who are you to say that we will overcome temptation? Yes, we will overcome temptation, we will overcome them. But you can't say that trials will not come. Trials will come, but pray, please. Trials will not reach your side though, because if you come it takes the grace of God to survive it. It takes the grace of God to survive it. You know that kind of a thing. But if you survive it, your life, you see, when trials come, there is room for promotion. There is room for promotion. That means you are moving to the next level. You are moving to the next level. That is why the fire is there to test you. That is why that trial is there. Not that God hates you. We complain too much. I used to complain. Oh, thank God for my sister. Hello, a big shout out to you. I know you will not watch this video because of time frame. But if you watch this video, thank you very much. I was so confused. But do you know what this babe told me? He said, for faith, calm down. Is it not wet? You will have it. Is it not money? You will have it. Is it not traveling? You will travel. You will even get tired of traveling. I said, okay. But do you know what you do? Still research about God. Still try to find God's ways. I swear, since that day, I have peace of mind. Me, I don't used to have peace of mind though. I used to be sick. Why? Do you know why? I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. I'll be disturbing my heart. Before I see that sickness will come. Before I see that I could not even sleep at night. During that COVID-19, I could not sleep. I will be opening my eye morning to night, calculating things I will achieve when COVID have come. Oh my God. Calculating, okay, I will buy this one, Immediately COVID stop it. Hey, I will buy this one sharply. So I did not buy this one before. Hey. Who am I deceiving? Who are we deceiving? We're deceiving ourselves. We are just deceiving ourselves. My love, I love you so much. Sorry that I'm being harsh. Not that I'm harsh, I'm just telling you the fact, okay? So let's stop deceiving ourselves. Let's just be real. Our character must be tested. Our attitude must be tested. If you do not see, when you are schooling, before you move to the next class, you must write exam. It's the same principle with life. Someone must write the exam. Don't look at what people will say. Me, I don't care. It's my hobby that I don't care. Oh, what will people say? I will just take it. Yeah, so test is hard. What will people say? But do you know what? Those people that crucify you the first time, I just say that right? Those people that say, okay, that judge you the first time, they will still be the same people that will still carry the good news, to carry your testimony to tell other people, oh, do you know what the Lord have done for so person? Do you know what God have done for so person? They are the ones that will still carry it. So don't follow the word. Follow your God. Know yourself. Know your character. We are still on character. Okay, so don't feel that because I'm being tested, that means I'm not even worthy. That means I'm not serving God enough. That means I need to do it more. No, you are doing it. You are getting it. But just wait. Be patient. Okay. So it's not me that said it. It's written in the Bible. No matter how you beat the person, the foolishness will still be there. That is how fool operates. Don't be that foolish. Maybe sometimes trials will come now. You will still remain where you are. No matter how the trial comes, you will still be doing that same thing all over and all over again. Because you think that is the only way you can see. Somebody can escape foolishness. So nobody is permanent. God did not create anybody to be permanent with foolishness. Maybe God created permanent that you will be foolish all the rest of your life. It's a lie. It's a choice. A choice that you make. What kind of choice do you make? Do you want to make choice that is foolish? Do you want to keep making foolish choice every time? You know, if you are in Nigeria, maybe the only way for you to survive when trials come with money. Money is the most common trials over here. Or I don't know, sometimes it may be hurt, but money is the common one. It's even hurt. But let me use money for example, because money is disturbing you. You need money for so many things, and someone just tell you now, oh, just do Yahoo now. Yahoo is free. Yahoo, you know they kill anybody. You don't kill people before you start it, and you will still make money. Yes, eventually you will make the money, but the Bible says that someone that is hungry, if you steal, like allow him to thief. If you thief, after you don't satisfy himself, the hunger don't go. You go pay back 7 phones. Person feel not cash you, but get on now destiny. Person feel not cash you, but believe me when I say destiny cash you. Destiny cash you. When the time comes, you will start paying back everything you have stolen. If you cannot pay back, your children will continue. So why are you leaving costs for your children? Why are you leaving? The worst part, do you know the one that is paying me? Is maybe your parents will start advising you. Start this thing now. Start doing it now. People are doing it too. Are they die? Are they killing anybody? Which kind of English? Are they mix English and pidgin together? Anyone? Are they verse? If are they verse, are they no? So please be wise and do it right. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Just support this babe that is just coming up. Just support me by sharing the video to your friends. Just share to anybody. Share in your WhatsApp contacts. Share to all your friends, everybody around you. This is not a makeup video. Boys and girls can actually watch it. Okay, thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye.